I just have to vent really quick. You see that your stuff has expired. Why are we having this conversation? Thank you so much for joining me today. It is Dominique with Dainty Budgets, and I just want to say welcome to everybody who is new, and I want to thank everybody who is coming back and watching my videos. I definitely do appreciate you all taking the time out of your day because there's so many other channels that you all could be watching, so I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, for those who are new, we cashed up, we talk about debt payoff, debt horror stories, mini story times, pretty much everything that you can possibly think of finance-wise. And so today we are actually going to be stuffing my UberEats and DoorDash pay from last week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And today we're going to be stuffing $760.
Woof.
Alright, and for those of you who always watch my videos, this is definitely a new setup, so I just wanted to, I guess, come by where my plants are and stuff for you all, just to give new scenery. But I will definitely be going back to my normal area pretty soon, but I thought it would be fun to just kind of show you all some of my plants. And this is like one of my favorite parts of my my home, so definitely wanted to share that with you all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get stuffing. Rent will be getting $50, so 20, 40, and then 50. All right, and now rent has 100, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 510, 20, 30. 530 in rent. Car will be getting 120. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20. All right, and now car has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 206. All right, and ministry is going to be getting $200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and ministry is currently empty, so this is all that's in there. Business is going to be getting $20. So now business has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Vacation will be getting $10, and it's actually in my fun envelope for now. My order has shipped from Etsy, so eventually this vacation will have its own envelope. Now vacation has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10. $110. And the next envelope we're stuffing is going to be health, and health will be getting $15. Y'all, that's what I'm talking about. I never know how to make change. 1 second. All right, so let's see if this is enough. Health will be getting 15. So 10, 15. Yeah, the problem is when I go to the ATM, I can only get 20, so then I have to make change with what I have, and sometimes I don't have enough, so I digress. So health now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. debt is going to be getting apparently $30. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, and now debt has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That is so shocking. Let me double check. 20, 40, 50, 55, 6, 57, 58, 59, 60. Wow. I didn't know I had that much in here. So the next credit card I want to pay off is my Chase credit card. And I'll be doing a whole separate debt video update probably in a couple months. Investments is going to get, I'm not sure how much investments it's getting actually. So we're gonna skip that for now. Self-care is getting 20. And now there's 40 in self-care. All right, and this is my sinking envelope slash debt. I'm waiting for my other binders to come in the mail from Amazon, so then I'll move pretty much everything around at that point. But yeah, so moving is gonna be getting 20, and now moving has $40. Let's see, car maintenance is going to be getting 40. I actually just had to get some new spark plugs, and I was so shocked to find out that spark plugs were as expensive as they are. I mean, if you want good quality, I ended up spending like almost $70. So have to boost this back up because my car right now, I think something's wrong with it. I still have warranty until 100,000 miles. So hopefully if it gives out between now and 100,000 miles, and then I only have to pay $50 to get it fixed, no matter like how much the damage is. So yeah, so now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 190. Miscellaneous is going to be getting 20. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 81 in miscellaneous. And I'm so sorry if you can hear my neighbor's dog. Like, I don't know why they're barking. Like, nobody's messing with you. Why are you barking? But anyways, so next, roll over. And this is like beside the point, but I feel like that's why I don't want to get a big dog, because I'm like, I cannot deal with all that barking all day. Like, and I feel like you can't, this is just a personal opinion. Like shock collars, I know they don't hurt the dog or anything like that, but I feel like barking is like a way that dogs speak, just like how we speak. And so I feel like it's like kind of telling them to shut up. So like I just would rather just not have the dog than, you know, make them feel like they can't talk, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyways, I digress. So roll over. Okay, that's not getting anything today. Emergency is going to be getting 50, so 20, 40, 50. Actually, should be getting 55 because I had to give my, long story, it just didn't get 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and now emergency has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 550, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 570. And I'll just organize that off camera. So, as some of you all know, I'm working from home, and I just have to vent really quick. Like, for my job, I basically interact with customers, and sometimes I have to help them through the computer to get assistance with troubleshooting, and I can see their screen, right? And so I'll ask them if they see an error message, and they're like, no, I don't see anything. And it's like in bright red, or you tell them exactly where to look and they still are like, no, I don't see anything. Like, because I just had to help a customer, and I'm just like, you see that your stuff has expired, so why are we having this conversation? Anyways, I digress. It's just really, really annoying when people don't read, or if they try to like play dumb. Like, you see what that screen says. You do not qualify. So anyways, gifts will be getting $40. Now gifts has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. Oh, challenge is actually supposed to be getting $20 this week. I honestly don't think I accounted for that, but that's okay. I'm just gonna, oops, you're not supposed to see this yet, so I'm just gonna put 20. 10-20 challenge. Tolls was supposed to be getting 50, but we'll just do 40 to make up for challenge. All right, and now tolls has 1, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 540. And then taxes is it shouldn't be the last envelope because I did want to do investments, so that's fine. I'll just do taxes at 60. I was trying to do 75, but clearly my math was wrong, my change was wrong, and I honestly do not feel like fixing it at this point. All right, so now taxes has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, and I'll just do the 50, so 750, 770, 780, 85, 86, 87. $787 in taxes. And yeah, that is it. I thank you all so much for joining me. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, your weekend, whatever day it is that you're watching. Thank you so much. Bye.